Guys, if someone doesn't love you, you can love a person who doesn't love you sometimes. You understand it? Guys, there is someone who is willing outside there to do everything for you. You understand? To do everything for you, who is willing to love you. You understand? Because sometimes, guys, you can't force things. You understand? You can't force a person. It doesn't make any sense at all. It doesn't make any sense because, guys, it's not good for your health sometimes, because, guys, outside there, and you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time to a person who doesn't want you most of the times. You understand? Just because, guys, I learned a lesson. You are wasting your time because, guys, changing person is not a changing person, guys. Because, guys, when you saw that person, he is not in love in love with you, even you in love with that person, just leave. Because, guys, outside there is someone who is willing to do everything for you, to give you that love. You understand? To give you that love, and you are continuing forcing yourself to a person who doesn't love you. It doesn't make any sense.